Okay, let's get started. Please download Laboratory 20 and the air traffic.csv file from Blackboard. Okay, today we're going to learn another example of descriptive statistics. Okay, so please run the. It's not. Oh, sorry. Let me share. Sorry about that. Oh, sorry, it's wrong. Sorry. Yeah, please refresh the page, and then you can download this air traffic.csv. Sorry about that. So I will give you 1 minute to download this file. Okay, from here. No, from here. Okay. Lab 20 and air traffic. And please make sure you put these two files in the same folder. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's get started. Please run the first script to identify your hostname, username, and current information, and your full name, a number, and title and date. Okay, so this is another example about the descriptive statistics. So first of all, you need to import necessary libraries. You need to import NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. And into this class, we need to use two other libraries, statistics and the SumPy.statistics. Okay, so please import them before you run today's lab. Okay, and here is the example. So you need to write the code step by step. The first one, read the air traffic CSV file and the data frame and check its first 5 rows. So okay, sorry, I think I forgot this one. So first one, you need to use 82 dot read CSV air traffic. And then show t dot add, right? So you can use this way to read Pandas, read the CSV, to read this CSV file, and then use head function to show first 5 rows, right? And you can also pass other numbers to show, for instance, you can pass 8, means you can show the first 8 rows, right? And next one is use descriptive functions of the Pandas library to learn more about the data frame. So you can use the info function to learn more about that. So here is there are only 6 columns, right? So you use the info, then you can check all the column names, and then how many numbers and how many records and data type about that, right? Distance, country name. So what do you mean? So do you have any questions? You entered some symbols. Yeah, so here is about the info data types, and this file is not on Blackboard. So I think you need to refresh. Yeah, reload the page, and then you can see it. Yeah, sorry about that. I uploaded the wrong file yesterday. Yeah, so please download it, reload the page and download it. Okay. Okay, so please first read the CSV file and use the info to show the information about the data frame. And next one, here we see for the fourth and for the first one and for the fourth, they're all numbers, right? The distance is numbers, so we can compute the arithmetic and harmonic mean of the distance. Distance means the first column, right? So that's why here we can extract the first column from the data frame, right? You can use AT the distance. It means you can get a list of the first column. And then after that, you can use the mean value. Actually, you can use the pandas function, but into this class, we can use another way, a statistics library, statistics.mean distance. Then it is the arithmetic mean. And then set the round 2 means that you keep the first 2 digits of the decimal point. Next one is harmonic mean. If you don't write anything, so it would be the arithmetic defaultly. Harmonic, next one, so you can check the results. It's a little bit different, right? So here is how to use the different mean value functions from the different libraries, statistics libraries, right? And the info libraries. It's about step 3. So any questions so far? Okay, next one is about the step 4. So find the median of the distance. So it's pretty easy, right? Actually, you don't need to define the distance again. Actually, it's not necessary. And then here, median is a statistic dot median function. Then you can get the median value. Okay, so here is the median value. Because the median would be only one number, so you don't need to use a round function in the median. In this median value, right? So this is a step 4. And next one is about the range of the distance. The range of distance, you can use this way. So numpy is about, NP means numpy, right? P2P means the peak to peak, right? So it's a P2P function. So it is this way. It's about the range. So it's a convenient function. So please make sure you understand this one. All right. And the next one is about the IQR. So IQR, you can also use the statistics. Another function, another package, SumPy.statistics.IQR distance, and then it is a distance would be 968. So yeah. So any questions so far? It's about the first 6 steps. So for all of them, if you are not sure about that, you can just Google the functions to answer these questions in the packages, right? So because when you need to write the codes, you need to make sure you can utilize all the functions in the packages. It's very hard to memorize all of them, but you can Google them or you can check the menus if you want to use them. Okay. Yeah, next one is the descriptive functions. Append the library, get a 5 numbers summary of the distance, plot a box plot without outliers. So I think this one is a little bit difficult because we didn't introduce it in previous labs. The first one, you need to use describe. So if you see here 5 number summary, it means it is the describe function. So count, mean, standard deviation, and the mean value and max value. That's why here is the 5 number information or description. Okay, so please make sure you use the describe. Let's count how many numbers, mean value, standard deviation, minimum, and maximum. Okay. And next one is about how to draw a box plot. So box plot is another way. So we learned use the plt.bar to draw a bar plot, and the figure a plot dot plot to draw a line plot, and the scatter plot and the histograms, right? And today we need to use the box plot. Then it's the same thing, right? So we use this distance as the y-axis because there's only one, only one list distance, and the median props here means the line width. You can set the one line width and the color about the box plot, and please make sure to set the show flares as false, because here without a flare, so flares is false, and the plt.show, you can check the distribution of the distance, right? So you see here the purple line is about the median, right? Here's you set the median line, median properties props. So line width is 1 and set color is purple. So you can set different colors or different width about the median. So and then you check here. I will show you if you don't use this way. Let me show you again. So if you want to draw a bar plot with show flares, do that again. So you see here, they are all out flares. So because they are very large, but the occurrence is only once or twice in this list. So that's why here is it's not very good. So that's why here we need to draw this box plot without the out flares, right? So yeah, so it's about how to show this and how to draw a box plot. Yeah, so it's step 7. So how 7 from the figure size. Okay, so this figure size is set by you, right? So you see here is actually you can use some other ways, but you can try, and it's not you can try some other figure size, right? So here for instance you can try 10. So you see it's a little bit larger because the width the width here is larger, and then the height is the same, right? And if you want to set it like 3, perhaps you see here is it will change the size of your figure, and because we have tried several times. We think 7 and 5 is looks better. That's why I choose for 7 and 5. But you can choose anyone. It's about the ratio of the height and the width of your figure, right? So yeah, okay. But you can try some others. Perhaps if you want to write a research paper, you need to figure out. You need to set what set of this, right? So for instance, if you want to have only one figure, you can use 10 and 5. It looks more academic, right? So put it in your research paper. And then, but for 7 and 5, so I think it looks better in this notebook. Yeah. All right, so last 2 is about variance and standard deviation of the distance, and the skewness kurtosis of the distance is they are similar. So you can just use the functions. Use the so first one, statistics variance and the standard deviation. You can just use the statistics library and the function name. Please make sure you use the correct you use the right function name. Okay, so So here is a standard deviation variance you print out. Next one, skewness and kurtosis. They are all the concepts from the mathematics, right? If you want to write the right function to compute them, it's very, very difficult, but you can, but luckily you can use it from the from this package, right? SumPy.statistical skew and the kurtosis, and after that you can set the run function and show the results. Okay, it's about the last two steps. Okay, so any questions so far? Okay, so there are here some documents. If you are interested, you can read them. And today's exercise is why descriptive statistics, what is the importance and the applications of descriptive statistics, especially in engineering. So today you don't need to write the codes, you only need to explain why it's so important. And perhaps if you have some examples to show that, it would be good, but please make sure to set any resources that you may use, okay? Yeah, so it's today's exercise. All right, so that's all I want to share today. If you don't have any other questions, please feel free to leave the meeting. And if you have questions, you can stay here and we can have a discussion. Thank you. See you next week.
All right, have a good weekend.
Thank you. You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.